instantly right off of the back, there is a difference with both of these that is showing.
So I picked up a white AirTag. Never lose things that I had lost, that I had left back. Wish they would have made it in space gray or that matte black. But this is where we at, squad, we here. Now let's chit chat, see. It's the features that sparking my curiosity. I put it on my keys or my wallet, that's how you finding me. I pop the app open, find me the reciprocity. The pricing for that 4-pack's 100, the generosity. Thanks for that 50K sub count, yeah, we hit, champ. Same swag vibe, just check the look, I had to revamp. So let's get this video cracking and get the details. Like, subscribe so you never miss a fly unveil.
What up, y'all? It's your boy CKid here, man. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the differences of using AirTags with a older iPhone to a newer iPhone. So what I have here in front of me, guys, is the brand new iPhone 12 in the purple color that you guys see right here. I actually did an unboxing of this, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll link that down in the description section below. But then also I have the iPhone XS Max. Now, if you guys are not familiar with the differences of these two devices and why this is important with the AirTags, is because with the newer iPhones, which is the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 12 models, they include a Apple U1 chip technology that's in it. And that is Apple's Ultra Band, which helps with the level of accuracy that you guys get when using something like the AirTags. Whereas with the iPhone XS Max or older iPhones, these do not actually include that technology in it. I want to show you guys the differences of using AirTags when it comes to older devices to newer devices. So let's go ahead and set this up. Now, if I go ahead and open one, now I'm going to do these one at a time. So if I go ahead and pull the tab here, I should hear a little noise. Now, all you guys got to do is just put it close nearby, and you guys are gonna see it's gonna pop up right here on this phone. All right, so now that we got that one popped up, now I'm gonna go ahead and do this side by side so that way you guys can see exactly this process. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the tab on that one, and then boom. So now you guys can see we have both of these actually set up. So I'm gonna go ahead and press connect on this one, and then also press connect on this one. So this experience here is literally the exact same regardless of the devices that you have. So I'm gonna go ahead and select custom name for both of these. Now I'm gonna go ahead and enter in what I want this to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and press continue on both of these. Now, both of these is actually gonna ask me to register the AirTag to your Apple ID, which is something you're gonna wanna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and press continue on both of these. So now that we both have these set up, you're gonna notice instantly right off of the back, there is a difference with both of these that is showing. So on the older iPhone, you have directions and maps that you guys can see here. And then you also have the ability to be able to play sound as well as find with Siri. So you're gonna be able to do those three with the older iPhone. Whereas with the newer iPhone, you get the option for precision finding. This is where it's gonna allow you guys to be able to use a arrow, and it's gonna help you guys and guide you directly to it using that U1 technology. And it gets it down to like the feet and inches of how far you guys are actually away from the item. So obviously it's gonna be a bit better on a newer iPhone with that U1 chip technology in it than it will be on an older one, but you do get more directions in a map versus that precision finding on the new iPhone. Let's go ahead and do find my app. So let's go ahead and open both of those up. All right, so now that you guys can see here, there's two differences between the application right off the back. So we both get the play sound features on both of these. Now again, this is where that precision finding is actually located. So if I was to press precision finding over on here, it's going to bring me up this menu here, searching, and then it's going to connect, and it's just going to give you more of a guidance of where this actually is located. So you guys can see here, if I moved it, it gives me precision location here, versus if I press on directions, it's going to take me more to a map versus actually giving me that precision location that you guys get on the brand new iPhone. Now, obviously, the brand new iPhone is going to be a lot better when it comes to this, but I wanted to just show you guys the differences of these two. So let's go ahead and go back out and let's go back into the Find My. And then here you do get the option for notifications to be able to notify you when you've actually found your item. Now with these, you also can enable lost mode. I highly recommend you guys do this. Lost mode is going to allow you guys to be able to find your AirTag if you've actually misplaced the AirTag in itself. So if you've misplaced it out in a park or wherever, it's going to use the Find My network, and it's going to ping off other people's devices and let you know where your lost item is actually at, which is really dope. So I highly recommend you guys turn this on. So it's gonna notify you when it's found, pairing lock, as well as the phone number and messages. So this screen is literally the exact same. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue that. So I'm gonna go ahead and activate both of those. And just like that, you're good. So this is the differences between the two that you guys are going to experience with your older iPhone versus having something of a newer iPhone. So just wanted to do this quick video to show you guys the differences between the two and decide if you guys want to get it with an older iPhone and decide if you guys want to get it with a newer iPhone and what that experience is really going to be like. So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching, and click on the other videos that I have right up here on the screen. See y'all in the next one. Squad.